Hi there, thanks for coming back to the channel. The title for today's video is B2B Marketing Strategies. What are they? Keep watching and I'll give you my thoughts after the break. Hi there. Before we get into today's topic, if you haven't subscribed already, if you're new to the channel, my name is Mike Pitt. I run a company called Marketing Fundamentals Limited, and we are a B2B content marketing agency in London. Okay, today's topic, B2B marketing strategies. What are they? Let's break this down for somebody who may be a complete beginner. B2B stands for business to business as opposed to business to consumer. So business to business means that you target other businesses with your products and services. You're not trying to target the consumer. Business to consumer, as like retail, products that are selling through television, other channels, mainstream channels, perhaps radio commercials, TV commercials, that sort of thing. Those are business to consumer. Business to business, you use different platforms, different channels, often LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, to target other businesses. Your clients or your customers are decision makers within those business organizations. So what are B2B marketing strategies? B2B marketing strategies are, and let's just break down what a strategy is. A strategy is a way or a method that you're going to achieve your objectives. And let's generalize and say a lot of B2B companies, their strategies to achieve their objectives. Their objectives are more leads, more prospects, more customers, more clients, so increasing revenue at the top line. That's the objectives for most B2B companies. And the strategies they employ are a number of marketing activities. I made an earlier video on B2B digital marketing. Watch that video if you want to know what those activities are in some detail. So a marketing strategy, a B2B marketing strategy would mean the approach that you take. So that maybe that's using email utilization. So email marketing may be part of the strategy. Content marketing may also be part of the strategy. Social media activity, also virtual events may also be part of the strategy. And the strategy, as I say, is focused on the your key objectives, which may be leads, customers, sales, top line revenue increase, etc. Or there may be an alternative strategy based on not increasing the number of customers, but increasing the level of spend, the level of expenditure per customer. So increasing basket spend, increasing average revenue from each customer. That might be an alternative strategy. So your strategies are the ways that you plan to achieve your objectives. We must distinguish a strategy from a plan. So a strategy is the method you're going to use to achieve your objectives. The plan maybe is focused on a particular calendar day. So you may say we're starting the email activity on the 1st of June, and then we might be starting content marketing, blog posts might start distributing on the 2nd of July, etc. So a plan will have calendar days marked against it, and then the activity that's happening on those days. They may include email drops, they may include content marketing, they may include new episodes of podcasts or YouTube videos, as well as blog posts, etc. All of that will be planned on, in theory, one sheet of paper with all the activity. That's a marketing plan, but the marketing strategy is the overall approach, all the different activities that you're going to use to achieve your objectives. Some of those key activities are likely to be, and obviously it's difficult to generalize across all B2B companies, but some of those activities are likely to be regular, consistent activity on LinkedIn, regular consistent activity on Twitter, consistent activity on YouTube. If you're one of these companies, forward-thinking companies that has a B2B YouTube channel where there are lots of opportunities to generate leads and prospects, because lots of people will focus, more or less every B2B company that you've heard of around the world will be active on LinkedIn. Not so many are active on a regular basis on YouTube. So there's a huge opportunity there for B2B businesses. It's something that I'm always discussing with my clients. They should be more active on YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest search engine, owned by the largest search engine, which is Google. So if you can rank on YouTube and you'll rank on Google and YouTube, for particular keywords, then companies, leads and prospects will find you and will come to your company because they know, hey, we watched a video from these guys and they solved one of the problems that we were facing. So when they're coming to put together their marketing strategy, they will think, well, we need to work with particular partners, and one of those partners could be an agency, such as Marketing Fundamentals, for example, and we can help them deliver against their stated objectives. If you have activities that are outside of digital activities, so you may have some traditional routes, you may have some in-person events as the world opens up again, you may have some activities that are not digital activities but are in-person or traditional activities, they can be part of your marketing strategy as well. But in this day and age, there's a lot of activity being delivered via online methods, i.e. digital marketing, rather than old school sort of advertising, magazine advertising, posters by train stations, etc., radio ads, those old commercial activities that are they're still in existence, perhaps more relevant for B2C environments rather than B2B. So I hope this video has been useful. Thanks for watching all the way through. This video, as a reminder, was just breaking down exactly what a B2B marketing strategy is and some elements that may come into play as part of that strategy, and how that gets converted into a marketing plan and then delivered and executed through promotional. It might be through a promotional year or a revenue year, depending on how your company works its processes and annual accounting periods. Thanks for watching all the way through. If you like this video, please give me a like. Click on one of the two thumbnails to watch another video from me. I look forward to speaking to you next time. Thanks. Bye-bye.